Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is a Halloween edition of Easy Pictures to Draw. So today we're going to go over how to draw a Halloween pumpkin, just a straight up pumpkin. I'm going to be using this marker, a colored pencil, and actually a crayon. They're both Rose Art. Well, actually this is Crayola, and this one's Rose Art. It doesn't really matter the brand. It really doesn't. So let's get started. I'm going to throw a curve with a marker here, like a C curve. Little hump, little hump, little hump. You can draw 3, 4, it doesn't matter. I am going to draw one more hump. Go toward the bottom here. Hump. Same, doesn't have to be the same number, but very simple. Very, 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 very simple little tutorial. We're gonna draw lines, but I'm not gonna connect them all the way up. I'm gonna draw a line up for those kind of ridges in a pumpkin. Draw a stick, like the stem coming out. I'm going to draw a straight line. Again, drawing little lines up there, but I'm not going to connect them all the way to the top. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Crayola. It's just an orange here. And I'm going to go in and just color this. Just kind of flat coloring for the most part. And then I'm going to grab the green here and go in the stem. You can also do that brown, but I'm just going to do it green. I think it looks cooler. Gives it more life to it. And that's pretty much it. That is really, really simple. Very basic. I hope you guys like that. It was very simple to do. If you really want as well, you can throw a thicker line toward the bottom and it'll show like this little groundedness to it, you know? Maybe throw a line here, like it's just sitting down somewhere. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked that. I hope that was fast. If you did like that, press that like button and share the video for the Halloween season. And I'm going to be doing a lot of Halloween stuff this month, so I'll see you guys soon. Talk to you later.